If you are in the mood to talk nail polish, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène and welcome back, or if it's your first time, welcome to HMM Makeup or Makeup. Yes, we are talking nail polish today. I have a total of 7 nail polish looks to show you for the month of March. And I enjoyed every one of them. I'm just looking at them in front of me here, and yeah, I enjoyed all of them for all sorts of different reasons. And let's just get into it. The first look that I did was the combination of these two, which is Cherry Bomb and Moon Dust. And Cherry Bomb was one of the new ones that I picked out last month. And I really, really enjoyed this pairing. Although the Moon Dust really showed up quite golden, despite the fact that it has that purple look. But they did go really well together, and I'm not unhappy about it. So this one is a tried and true. I've had it in my collection for quite a while, and I'm quite happy to have had a chance to try this color. It's kind of like a burgundy leaning toward chocolate, and so I think it would be flattering on most people, and I really enjoyed using it. I have a thing for accent color on the ring finger, and I did it again with this combo. Now this was the first time I used this one, and it is the Love Me Lilac it's step 1 in the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel line. And I managed to get this one. I talked about it in my no buy. It was an impulse buy. I shouldn't have bought it. Got it for $3, equivalent to about $2 for me, just because of discounts and stuff. The whole point is I shouldn't have bought it, but I'm really happy I did. This for $2 or $3 Canadian is amazing. They're usually somewhere between 12 and 13. And it's a color that I absolutely love. So I feel like this guilty because that was really my only, can I call it cheat, last month. So I just feel good about it. So anyway, I'm totally justifying myself, but I don't regret it. I really don't. And then I paired it with Antique Brooch, which is a nail polish color from Ciaté that I've had for, I think this is my 3rd year, and I feel like they go so well together. It was a pleasure to have that look, and I hope I remember this pairing, although Antique Brooch looks good with a lot of different colors, but somehow the Dusty Rose, it just seems to work really nicely together. The next one I was not sure I would like, and I ended up being just fine with it. And it is this Joe Fresh Dusty Lilac and the Desert Lights from Ciaté. And it ended up being quite pretty. I liked it. I did not have an issue with it. I thought it was just a really kind of different look, and they did go well together. I think that the Desert Lights was a little bit more metallic than I thought it would be, but it turned out fine. If anything, I might think of having done a design on the nail with this nail polish as opposed to the whole nail. Now I did a Nails Inc, I think it's brunch, something brunch, but it looks like an avocado color. I usually do that one with this Splash color from Ciaté. I find that they go really well together. I did that last month as a pairing. And this month I decided to pair the Pepperminty from Ciaté with Splash, and I liked that effect as well. It was softer, and I thought just as nice, just maybe spring is in the air, and it felt like a good combination to go a bit more pastel. Just like the Nails Inc green nail polish, I thought the Pepperminty did a great job, and it was a beautiful pairing for nails, and I think I'll keep this one in mind when I want a softer version of what I had done the previous month. Now this one was extra pretty. extra pretty, but I think I messed up one of the nails actually when I was doing this one. It is Rose Bouquet from Sephora. The color hits from Sephora, and Up in the Clouds from Ciaté. And Up in the Clouds I put on the ring finger, and I thought they were very, very cute together. Although this one kind of was a little bit too striking, I think, compared to this one. So I think the contrast was maybe a little bit much. But did they go together? Sure. It was just not my favorite combo of the month. Now we get into something that's very exciting, but sad at the same time, because these I cannot find on the e.l.f. site. They don't seem to offer it anymore. I think it was a limited edition Christmas offering a few years ago, and I'm finally using them. I have 10 nail polishes from e.l.f. And so this was my first combo ever with e.l.f. nail polishes, and I used 3. So I used the main one, the matte gray, and then I had an accent color on the ring finger, and I also had an accent color on the pinky. And I really, really enjoyed that combo. They wear super well, and I'm so sad that it does not look like e.l.f. produces nail polishes anymore, or sells nail polishes anymore. They are really lovely, and they last a week. And not all nail polishes for me last a week. So I've been really impressed by the longevity and impressed by the colors and effects themselves. And I'm so sad that I can't buy them, and I can't tell you where you can get them because I don't think they sell them anymore. And I'm disappointed. I will try to enjoy them as long as I can until they run out. And they're very, very small bottles, so they'll run out really quickly. But I'm happy to have them for the time I'll have them. And finally, I have the combo that I'm wearing today. And I really like this combo. It's again an e.l.f. combo, and it is a very light pink paired with a very glittery, almost burgundy-like set of flecks. So I'm really pleased with this combo. I think it looks a lot more delicate, or more delicate than it does in the bottle. This looks kind of aggressive. It's lovely. It's lovely. I'm pretty darn happy with the 7 nail polish looks. It was a lot of fun. I don't think that I have a single one where I was going, ugh, not great. I only have one where my pinky got all mushed up and I didn't redo the look because my pinkies are tiny. The nails on my pinkies are tiny, and I thought, it won't be that noticeable. Of course, in the pictures it will be, but anyway, I'm pleased. If you told me that I was doing 7 looks during the month, I would have told you, well, that sounds like a little bit much, but I just really enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to what I'm going to create next month, which brings me to the Mini Mani month and the reveal of the next 2 boxes. So let's get to it. Here we go. The next 2 boxes, it is going to be for the month of April, and so we've done 6, so we should be at 7. So 7 is up here, and 8 is right here. So let me open these up. So for 7, the saying in number 7, which, oh, by the way, this is the Mini Mani month advent calendar. It's all nail polishes, and I only reveal 2 per month, so the 24 windows last me all year. And this was a gift from Steph. And Steph, if you do not know who Steph is, I highly suggest you take a look at her channel. I will put her on screen. She's a lovely, lovely human being. And we have quite a nice YouTuber relationship going on. She's a fantastic person. So it says, you got this. And so this is the first of 2 nail polishes. And I'm kind of happy about this because my pepperminty is getting low. So I have this new one from Ciaté, and it is the mint for each other. That's cute. Let's just compare it to my pepperminty. It's a little bit different. Not a huge difference, but they're a little bit different. This one's a bit lighter. That's all right. This is the old one, this is the new one. Okay, mint for each other. That's cute. So that was number 7, and now we have number 8, which I said was down here. Oh, good. It says, it's a good day to have a good day. Sure, it's a good day to have a good day. And it looks like a top coat, maybe? Yeah, it is the Plant Pot top coat. And that's good because I always need more top coat and base coat than I need of a given color of nail polish because we use this every single time we do our nails, right? Or at least I do. So I'm really pretty pleased. I'm pleased with the 7, I think. Yeah, 7 looks that I did this month. Double checking my count. Yes, Hélène, it's 7 looks. And I am really pleased with these 2. And I just received a recent, I think it was last month, I received the, this is the top coat. I received the base coat. So, yeah, I'm stocked up for the top and bottom of any nail look, and it was perfect timing, in my opinion. So that's it. You've seen the looks, you've seen the reveal for what I'm going to be playing with for the next month, at least what came out of the box. And I hope you enjoyed the looks. I hope there was a little bit of inspiration there. And if you have any requests for combos or you have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments and I will be happy to reply. And with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.